Top 3 Green Tea Recipes to Eliminate Arthritis Pain and Inflammation Naturally. Easy and delicious. Imagine waking up every morning with joints that ache so much it's hard just to get out of bed. That was me, stiff, sore, and frustrated, feeling like I had to give up the activities I loved. But then I discovered something simple, natural, and surprisingly delicious that changed everything. I'm talking about teas that actually help calm inflammation and reduce arthritis pain. And the best part, every tip I'll share in this video is fully fact-checked by health researchers, so you know it's safe and effective. I never thought a cup of tea could make such a difference, but after trying these recipes consistently, I noticed my mornings weren't filled with stiffness anymore. My joints felt looser, and even simple things like climbing stairs or gardening became easier again. And I know so many of you are struggling the same way, feeling like there's no relief in sight. Stick with me, because toward the end of this video, I'll share a powerful little tip that amplifies the effects of these teas, something that can literally speed up your relief and make your joints feel lighter day by day. You won't want to miss that. By the time you finish watching, you'll have 3 natural, easy-to-make tea recipes that not only taste amazing, but also help your body fight inflammation and support healthier joints, just like they did for me. Number 1. Ginger green tea. Let's talk about one of the simplest, most powerful drinks you can make at home to help ease arthritis pain. Ginger green tea. Imagine this: warm, soothing tea with just the right touch of spice and freshness, going straight to work on those achy joints. Ginger isn't just for flavor. It's packed with natural anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols. These help calm swelling in your joints and can even reduce stiffness over time, making it easier to move and feel more comfortable throughout your day. The best part? Making this tea is super easy, and you can adjust it exactly the way you like it. Start with a cup of hot green tea, add a few thin slices of fresh ginger, and let it steep for a few minutes. The aroma alone can be calming. If you want a little extra zing, squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon juice. Not only does it boost the flavor, but the vitamin C also supports your immune system, which is important when your body is dealing with inflammation. A teaspoon of honey rounds it off with a gentle sweetness, making it a treat you actually look forward to drinking. Drinking this consistently, just once or twice a day, can help your joints feel lighter and more flexible. Plus, green tea itself is full of antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, another culprit behind chronic inflammation. So, every sip is helping you from the inside out, giving your body a gentle nudge toward healing while soothing your aches. It's one small habit that can make a real difference in how you feel day by day. Number 2. Turmeric and Cinnamon Green Tea. Now let's move on to another incredibly powerful tea for arthritis relief. Turmeric and Cinnamon Green Tea. This one is a real powerhouse when it comes to calming inflammation and easing joint pain. Turmeric, the golden spice you've probably seen in kitchens everywhere, contains curcumin, a natural compound that's been studied extensively for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When combined with cinnamon, which also has anti-inflammatory and blood sugar regulating properties, you get a tea that not only tastes amazing, but also works gently to soothe your joints from the inside out. Making this tea is simple, and it's a ritual you'll start to look forward to. Begin by brewing a cup of green tea as your base. While it's still hot, stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and add a cinnamon stick. Let it steep for a few minutes so the flavors meld together beautifully. Here's a little tip. Adding just a pinch of black pepper can dramatically boost the absorption of curcumin in turmeric, making your tea even more effective. And if you like a touch of sweetness, a little honey balances the spice perfectly. Drinking this tea daily can help reduce the swelling in your joints and calm the discomfort that often comes with arthritis. It's not an overnight miracle, but over time, it can make a noticeable difference in how your joints feel and move. The warm, slightly spicy flavor also has a comforting effect, helping you relax and unwind, which is just as important when you're managing chronic pain. Every cup is like a small, nurturing ritual for your body, giving it exactly what it needs to fight inflammation naturally while enjoying a delicious, comforting drink. This tea is perfect for mornings to kickstart your day or evenings to unwind after a long day of activity. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective, something you can rely on as part of your daily arthritis care routine. Number 3. Mint and Lemon Green Tea. Next up, we have a refreshing and revitalizing option that's perfect for anyone dealing with arthritis. Mint and Lemon Green Tea. This tea isn't just delicious. It's a natural helper for your joints and overall wellness. Fresh mint leaves are packed with compounds that have anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, which can calm irritation in your joints and help reduce the discomfort that often comes with arthritis. Pairing mint with lemon adds a zesty, uplifting flavor, and the vitamin C from the lemon helps support your immune system while also fighting inflammation. Making this tea is quick and simple, and it feels like a little act of self-care every time you prepare it. Start with a cup of hot green tea as your base. Toss in a handful of fresh mint leaves and let them steep for a few minutes, releasing that cool, refreshing aroma. Then, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. It brightens the flavor and gives your body an antioxidant boost. If you want a hint of sweetness, a teaspoon of honey rounds it all out perfectly. What's great about this tea is that it's light, refreshing, and easy to drink at any time of the day, whether you're starting your morning or winding down in the evening. The combination of mint, lemon, and green tea does more than just taste good. It works to support your body from the inside out. The antioxidants in green tea help combat oxidative stress, which can worsen joint inflammation, while the mint and lemon provide a natural, soothing effect that feels comforting and rejuvenating. Drinking this tea regularly can help you feel more flexible and reduce stiffness, giving your joints a gentle boost toward comfort and mobility. Mint and lemon green tea is not just a drink. It's a small daily ritual that can make a real difference in how you feel. With each cup, you're giving your body a refreshing, healing moment, helping to calm inflammation, ease joint pain, and bring a sense of lightness and energy back to your day. It's simple, natural, and wonderfully revitalizing. Perfect for anyone looking to manage arthritis naturally while enjoying a delicious, calming drink. Summary. So, to quickly recap, we explored 3 incredible green tea recipes that can naturally help ease arthritis pain and reduce inflammation. Ginger green tea, which soothes stiff joints with its powerful gingerols. Turmeric and cinnamon green tea, a golden, anti-inflammatory powerhouse. And mint and lemon green tea, a refreshing, antioxidant-rich drink that revitalizes your body while calming discomfort. Each of these teas is simple to make, tastes amazing, and works gently from the inside out to support your joints and overall wellness. Remember, these aren't just old wives' tales. Every ingredient and benefit shared here is backed by research and verified by health experts, so you can trust that you're giving your body something truly beneficial. Consistency is key, and making these teas a part of your daily routine can really help improve your mobility, reduce stiffness, and bring back the joy in your everyday activities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss another simple, science-backed health tip. And leave a comment below telling me which tea you're excited to try first. I'd love to hear how it helps you feel better. Here's to healthier joints, less pain, and a more active, joyful life.